Wait, Noah was 500 years old when God told him to build the ark? That's crazy!
Yup. The Bible tells us Noah was 500 years old when God gave him the big job. A long, long time ago, the world was very different from today. People weren't listening to God, and they weren't being kind to each other. But there was one good man, Noah. He loved God and always did the right thing. God told Noah,
"Build an ark. A great flood is coming, but you and the animals will be safe inside."
But wait, what's an ark?
Great question, Jacob. An ark is a huge boat big enough for Noah, his family, and lots of animals.
Oh, I get it. It's a huge, huge boat, like a floating zoo.
Yes, a floating zoo, to keep everyone safe.
Oh, wow, cool. Keep going.
Now, when God told Noah to build the ark, he was 500 years old.
500 years old? Oh, but that's because this is just a story, right?
Oh no, all of the stories in the Bible really happened. Back in Bible times, people lived much longer than we do today. Noah's grandfather, Methuselah, lived to be 969.
That's almost 1,000 birthdays.
It sure is. That's a lot of candles. Some of Noah's sons were babies when he started building the ark. And when he finished, they were over 120 years old.
Whoa!
It was finally time to load up the ark with animals. Large animals. Small animals. Noisy animals. And quiet animals.
That's a lot of animals. Did Noah have to go and find them?
Nope. They came on their own. 2 by 2.
That's amazing.
Yes. And every kind of animal had a safe place inside. Once everyone was inside, it started to rain. Drip, drop, then pour. The ark lifted up and sailed on the deep, deep water.
Wait, weren't they scared?
A little. But Noah trusted God. He knew God would keep them safe.
Oh, so even when we're scared, we can trust God too.
That's right. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights. The land was all gone, only water everywhere. The ark was their only safe place. And after 40 days, the rain finally stopped. Noah sent out a little bird, a dove, to find dry land. At first, the dove didn't find anything. But then, it came back with a little leaf. That meant land was coming back. Soon they could leave the ark. When Noah and the animals stepped onto dry land, God made a promise.
"I will never flood the whole world again."
And the rainbow was a sign of his promise.
I love rainbows.
Me too. Every time we see a rainbow, we can remember God's promise.
Wow, that's awesome.
Did you love this story? Stay tuned for more amazing Bible adventures.